Are you curious about when your Twitter account was created? Let's explore how you can view your account creation details on Twitter using your PC. To get started, locate and click on the More icon in the navigation bar at the top of the Twitter interface. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access various settings and options. Next, select Security and Account Access from the menu options. Once you've entered the security settings, look for and click on Your Account. This section allows you to manage and view different aspects of your Twitter account. Within the Your Account menu, navigate to Account Information and click on it. As you scroll through the account information page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Account Creation. This is where you'll find details about when your Twitter account was originally created. By locating this section in the middle of the page, you can easily track the inception date of your account. By following these steps, you can gain insights into the history of your Twitter account creation directly from your PC. Stay informed and explore the origins of your Twitter presence with just a few clicks.